Hello, welcome to another edition of Tasty Tuesday. Today what we're going to do is Tastin tacos. Okay, the way I have this is different from your traditional cheese and your lettuce and tomato tacos. What we're going to do is we're going to have shredded chicken breast. Okay, it was marinated overnight, and I marinated it with chili powder and a little chili oil and put it in a plastic bag and let it sit overnight. Now we got flour tortillas, or you can use the crispy tortillas, the corn tortillas. It's your discretion. We have 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, and then we have 1 tablespoon also. That's what I forgot to tell you. I put ghee. They call it that. But ghee is spelled G-H-E-E. It's clarified butter. It's very expensive. You can buy it in the stores, but you can make your own with a real stick of butter. You let it melt, and then you strain it. So with the clear part come out, that's the ghee. The foam part that comes on top of the butter, you dispose of that if that's what you want to do. Okay, we have a pinch of salt, and we got a pinch of pepper. We have 1/3 cup of shredded red cabbage. Now that's something different, but see, I'm going for the crispy, fresh taste. This is the summertime, so I'm putting all these ingredients together. Okay, so let's get started on our homemade tacos. I'm gonna stuff this taco. This is the flour tortilla. Like I said, you can use corn tortillas if you want to. It's your preference. Okay, this is, you put as much meat as you can, but don't forget to leave some kind of room so you can put your toppings on. Okay, now here we go. Hey friends, quick heads up. Sorry to cut the video right here. We ran into a little hiccup with the footage, so the final plating of these delicious tacos didn't make it to the edit. But don't worry, we're not leaving you hanging. This dish is too good to miss, and you can absolutely recreate it at home for your own and for yours. So grab your ingredients, fire up that skillet, and let's get cooking. Here's the full recipe so you can bring those tacos to life in your own kitchen. Voila!